Okay, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the issues I've been experiencing. I picked up that my internet link speed was slow and I couldn't understand why. MWeb struggled with this issue for about 6 months and they couldn't get it fixed, so I decided to move over to Web Africa and I experienced the same problems there. So what I then ended up doing was I wrote some Python code using the speed test command line interface that talks to the Ookla servers as a speed test client. So if you click on this button go, it will basically do a speed test. So I just did that and we can see now I'm sitting on the Vox Telecom network. I've got a download speed of 91, upload of 47 and a ping of 5, and I'm talking to the Cell C server. Alright, so I wrote some Python code that basically does the same. There we can see the Python code firing. It will do basically the same. It shows you Vox Telecom. It shows you it spoke to the server Cell C 92.28 and so forth. Alright, so this piece of code will fire every 10 minutes and then it basically updates the database and also creates a chart of it, the speed test over time. Here is this is the chart that basically it's created. Now where we see that the speed is above 90, we were on the Vox network. If I look at the database, we can see Vox network up to quarter past 3, and then 24 minutes past 3 we switched back to Web Africa, and then that's where we see this drop in speed and the pings went up and also the uploads dropped down. Then I decided I'm going to let it run for 2 hours. If we look at the database update, here we can see around 24 past 6 we went back to the Vox Telecom network and then everything was fine again. So just to prove that, I'm gonna do a speed test. This is on the Vox network. And if we also look at the speed on the router, we can see it's 94, 99, 100, 99. I can see it's going to 100 megabits. Now it's going to drop down. Now that's going to go 50, 1, 50, 48, 49, 49. So this is on the PPP OE link, the WAN port of the router, and there the test is done. And there we can see the download and the upload. Right, so now I'm going to change the credentials. I'm going to go back to the Web Africa. I'm going to put, as you can see there, I'm logged into Vox account. I'm going to change that now. I'm just going to point it away. Just get a hold of the password. Alright, so I've got the Web Africa stuff in there. I'm going to say apply. You'll see link established. I'm going to get a IP address. Right, there we connected. So let's open the, let's refresh this, and we should see now it's going to say internet solutions. What is your problem now? Oh, it's the result set. It's just there we go. Now it's picking up internet solutions. It's picking up that as the best server. Let's do a test. Now we already see the ping at 75, and look at the speed. It's horrendous. Getting 17 megabits a second, and I'm paying for 100. This is now on Web Africa, but I'll get the same on any ISP that basically sits on the IS backbone. That just proves that it's not my fiber link, it's not my network, because if we look at the router, let's look at the link. We'll see that the link is sitting at a 3 or a 2 megabits utilization. Now let's kick off the test again. Gonna leave it, just gonna move it down here, kick it off, bring it back. Now we should see when the download starts. Right, the ping is 52. And we can see we're only getting 36, 33 on the WAN port. So it's not something on my network, guys. It's not, I can see this should go to 100. There, it should go to 50. And it's not. So can somebody at IS please explain why your network's doing this? It shouldn't be doing this. And I've been recording the stats, as you can see here, all the time, and been graphing it. So that's on Vox, that's on Web Africa, that sits on IS, and then that's on Vox again. So there's something on the IS backbone, and so MWeb, Crystal Web, Web Africa, all of them do this. Because I can show you, I ran yesterday Crystal Web. So if I go here and I say show me the week, that's Crystal Web. Also drop down, that was Vox, Crystal Web, Vox. Today I ran Vox the whole day, and then I switched to Web Africa, and it dropped down. So yeah, there's something wrong on the IS backbone. Thanks guys.